Big news! Now, you can easily book your Indigo flight tickets directly through WhatsApp. Here's how you can get started. First, save this number in your phone contacts and send a "Hi" message on WhatsApp to begin. Once you do that, you'll see three options to choose from. The first option, Book a Flight, allows you to book a new flight directly through WhatsApp. The second option, Flight Status, lets you check the status of an existing Indigo flight by entering your flight number or PNR number, providing real-time updates on arrival, departure, or delays. The third option, Web Check-in, enables you to complete the check-in process if you already have a confirmed Indigo booking, saving time at the airport by obtaining your boarding pass virtually. Let's start with booking a flight. The process involves providing details. First, you will need to decide on your destination, the place where you want to travel. Next, you should specify your departure location, which is the place you will be leaving from. Then, you need to select your preferred travel date. This is the date you would like to fly on. Another important detail to consider is whether you want a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket. If you have any discount codes, you can enter those during the booking process to save money. You'll also need to specify the number of tickets needed and indicate if there are any children traveling. Once you have confirmed the initial details, the system will display a list of available flights along with their respective prices and timings. This list will help you compare the different options and choose the one that best fits your schedule and budget. Once you have selected your preferred flight, you will need to confirm your booking. Taking these steps will help ensure a smooth and efficient flight booking process. By carefully following each stage, from selecting your flight to entering your details and reviewing your booking, you can be confident that your travel plans are accurately and securely arranged. At this stage, you will need to provide additional personal information, including your full name and email address. This information is necessary to complete your reservation and ensure that you receive all relevant communication about your flight. Before you proceed to the payment section, you will be given an opportunity to review all the details of your booking. This includes verifying the flight time, date, price, and any other important information. It is crucial to carefully review these details to ensure that everything is correct. If everything is in order, you can then proceed to the payment page to complete your booking. When you click Pay Now, you will be redirected to a secure payment page on Indigo's website where you can choose from various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, UPI, or net banking. That's it. You're all set to book your Indigo flight through WhatsApp.